everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Discord server. So for that, open the Discord application first. Now here on this page, you need to tap upon the server that you want to delete. So tap upon that server name and then hold it for a few seconds. It will give you this option, and from this option you tap on more options. With this you will be directed to this page over here, and here you need to tap on the settings. Tap that. On the setting page you need to tap on the overview. Tap on overview on the top option. Tap that. Now here on the overview page, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of delete server. You tap that. Are you sure you want to delete Alexa Blake server? This action cannot be undone. You tap on yes and this will delete this server right away. You can see there is no more that server available or present. So this is how you can delete a Discord server. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.